Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the RSI 3TF alert indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator displays the RSI indicator across 3 different time frames, which we can specify in the input, and by using the intersection of these and their relative positions, it also issues buy and sell signals for us. As you can see, the red line of the indicator, EQAD, is in one time frame higher. The turquoise line.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Of the RSI indicator is in 2 time frames higher, and the purple line of the RSI indicator is in 3 time frames higher. This means for this time frame, which we are currently in M5, the red line represents M15, the turquoise line represents M30, and the purple line represents H1. The signal is issued in such a way that when all 3 lines are above 50 and the red line is above the turquoise and the turquoise line is above the purple, a buy signal is issued like at this point, and when all 3 are below 50 and the red line is below the turquoise and the turquoise line is below the purple, a sell signal is issued there. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. Initially, we specify the 3 periods for the 3 RSI indicators, which by default have fixed periods and variable time frames, but we can also set the periods to be variable. It has another mode where we can add 3 more RSIs with different periods, which are not displayed, and only if their signal is issued, it will be shown here with all these yellow dots. If the dot is above, it's a buy signal, and if it's below, it's a sell signal. When these are the same, well, these signals come out the same, but we can change this and have signals for different periods as well. Here we can also specify the 3 time frames in which these 3 RSI indicators are applied. If these are set to current by default, it selects 3 higher time frames for these 3 states, but we can also manually choose them ourselves. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.